My cool new Snickers! Oh no! What a fragrance! Oh, it's strange. There's something wrong with the cactus. Oh, that's a cake! Oh, well. Hello. Oh, wait. Is my phone made out of chocolate? Wow.
Good idea! I want a watermelon! Cook it for me, please! And make it sweet!
That's easy. Let me think about it. Granny has a great idea. Oh, I'm strong. Let's add some fruits in. Kiwi, strawberry, pineapple, and more berries. Putting it into the watermelon. And adding some jelly. Time to freeze it. Home cooking is good, but chef cooks only according to French recipes. First of all, pouring watermelon dough into the mold, chocolate drops, and here's my perfect cake. Next step is decor. I'll cover the cake so that it cannot be distinguished from a real watermelon. Amazing. Oh!
Oh, yes! Brother is also in business to win the challenge. I'll roast some marshmallows and add my favorite Nur candies. The main thing is to mix everything well.
Whoa!
2 seconds and you're done. Look at this slime. Perfect.
Oh, well done, grandson.
Thanks, Granny.
Oh, chef, hurry up. I'm ready.
Wow! Let's see. Is this a watermelon cake? It is so cool! I love it! I see my brother has prepared something interesting. I'm sure it's something delicious. Doesn't look impressive, but it tastes cool. Ooh! What an unusual watermelon with fruits! It's jelly! Wow! I'm thrilled! It's mega delicious!
Do you like it, baby?
Hey, I tried too! Grandma wins! It's amazing!
Hooray! Grandma is awesome!
What should I draw? That's right! I've always wanted a kitten!
Oh, this is going to be difficult. To please the baby, I will prepare a surprise for her. Separating the yolk from the whites. Adding a little sugar and citric acid. Oh, just don't get that in your eyes. Now whipping it. And here's some gorgeous foam to make delicious cream. Perfecto. We can cover our biscuit and make a huge cake to carve a kitten. Great. Whoa! What a beautiful kitten the chef has! And Grandma has it all crooked up. I know what I can do. I'm going to use some white chocolate. My granddaughter loves it. Pouring chocolate into our little mold. Well, it's not little, it's a fire. Now some ice. Well, it's frozen. Hello, my little perfection. Look at that. Well, moving on. I will make an exact copy of my little kitten. The main thing in this case is not to rush. Do everything carefully and with love. Oh, amazing! Oh, grandson!
How are you, Granny? My kitten is almost ready. I can lick my fingers. Time for some colors. I'll use chocolate rainbow sprinkles and Nutella. Wow! Grandma, check it out! Look at that!
Well done. Maybe that will work. Well, how do you like your new friend? I'll color it too. Oh, amazing! What a beauty! I'm using some dyes. It's faster and less sugary.
Wow! Granny!
Oh! Chef has surpassed himself!
Perfecto. Oh well, baby. Bon appetit.
How did you do it? It's incredible! Bon appetit, baby!
Wow! Such cute kittens! Let's try it! I think I'll start with my brother's one. Oh, I don't like it. Oh! What a sweetheart! Great! And here's the kitten from the chef. Oh, it's mega delicious! I choose… Wait. This one, of course!
Oh yes. Merci beaucoup.
And now, I want a Lego cake.
Oh, it's all clear. Grandma is a master in this. I will prepare a cake for you in the shape of your favorite hero and decorate it with cream. Oh, it turned out wonderful. Adding some dyes and finishing our friend. Oh, amazing. All right, I completely forgot to draw the eyes. Now that's much better. What are you up to, Chef?
Ooh. And I will decorate my cake with mastic so that it turns out perfectly smooth and beautiful. Time to add some red details.
Wow!
Oh, my gorgeous Lego cake. This is amazing. And it's done.
Wow! I will make a cool dessert too. To do this, we need to melt some chocolate and pour it into the molds. Perfect. Oh, I'm already hungry myself. Adding some Skittles. Now my ice breath from Mentos. Cool. Look at that. That's amazing.
Oh, wow! Baby, come on.
Wow, that's great. Oh, this man scares me a little. I hope it will be delicious. Well, I don't like it at all. Sorry, Granny.
How come?
And that's a cool cake! Chef, bravo! You're a genius!
Thank you, baby.
Wow, beautiful! My favorite Skittles! This is just incredible! I'm glad you liked it. My brother is the winner!
Hooray! Yoo-hoo! Well done.
Thanks to everyone who likes and subscribes to our channel. Write in the comments which character from the culinary challenges is your favorite.